In this video, you will learn how to change the language on the Truecaller app. Open the Truecaller app, launch the Truecaller app on your Android or iOS device, make sure you're signed into your account and connect to the internet, access the settings menu, tap on your profile icon or locate the three-dotted menu, located at the top right corner of your screen, then select settings from the drop-down menu, go to app language options within the settings, then scroll down on top of app language. This section allows you to customize the display language for Truecaller. Choose your preferred language. You'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the options and select your preferred language from the list. Confirm your selection. After choosing your language, Truecaller will ask to confirm your selection. Make sure to tap Apply or OK to set it as your new language. Restart the app. Choose and reopen the Truecaller app. This will ensure the language will change and it will take effect properly. You'll now see all the menus and labels in your chosen language. Now you know. Now you know how to change your language on the Truecaller app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.